Today, we will show you how to use the Iterate feature. The Iterate feature is designed for fine-tuning an image using a simple prompt or by adding an extra visual element. One of the easiest applications is making small adjustments. For example, modifying the color of a piece of clothing, or changing a character's facial expression. But you can also use Iterate for more complex storytelling. The common workflow is to duplicate the shot in your storyboard, then use Iterate on the duplicated version to adjust the action. For example, let them dance with each other. You can then repeat this process, creating another shot like close-up of the couple while they both laugh. This gives you a consistent visual sequence without having to generate entirely new images from scratch or losing the look of your characters. With Iterate, you can also upload additional visual elements that become part of the modified image, such as specific products, logos, or characters you want to integrate into the scene. In short, the Iterate feature is perfect for quickly adjusting small details or for building consistent, evolving action sequences directly within your storyboard.